Sai Ram, I've been asked to give a message by the devotees in the United States of America, where they're going to have a building of their own for all their activities from now on. Naham asami vaikunte yoginam pradena cha madbhakta yatra gayanti tatra tishtami Narada. The Lord declares to Narada, my abode is not Vaikuntha, nor even the hearts of austere yogis absorbed in meditation. Wherever my devotees sing my glory, there I establish myself. This eternal assurance finds a living echo in the sacred endeavor you now undertake, the creation of Prasanthi Dham in Plano, Texas, United States. For what is a mandir if not a collective invocation of the divine presence through love, unity, and selfless service? Bhagawan Sri Sathya Sai Baba would often remind us with disarming simplicity, I do not need a mandir. Let your hearts become my mandir. Yet in the same breath, he encouraged the establishment of Seva Kshetras, centers where the divine love in the heart finds expression in action. Such mandirs are not monuments of stone, but movements of the spirit. They stand as beacons where devotion matures into service, and service blossoms into realization. The Prasanthi Dham, therefore, must not be seen merely as a structure, but as a sacred trust. May it become a sanctuary where the weary may find rest, the seeker may find direction, and the suffering may find solace. May it become a place where the hungry are fed, the lonely are embraced, and the aspiring are uplifted. It must welcome all, beyond distinctions of creed, culture, or condition, as embodiments of the same divine. To all the devoted hands and hearts that are come together to make this possible, I offer my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes. To have such a space to call your own is indeed a blessing earned through collective faith, sacrifice, and perseverance. You have not merely built a mandir, you have invoked His presence. As you look ahead, may this mandir grow into a vibrant center of sadhana and seva. Let the chanting of the Lord's name resound within its walls. But let its true music be heard in the silent acts of compassion carried out beyond them. Let it nurture young minds in human values, inspire noble actions in society, and stand as a living testimony to the ideal of love all, serve all. May every brick be bound by love, every activity guided by humility, and every offering suffused with purity. For it is not grandeur, but sincerity that invites the divine to dwell. I pray that Bhagawan showers His abundant grace upon this noble endeavor, guiding it to its fullest fruition. May He protect, sustain, and sanctify this mandir so that it becomes a veritable pilgrimage of the heart for generations to come. With prayers and good wishes for its continued success, may His presence ever illumine your path. Sai Ram, thank you.